Are you a TikTok streamer that wants to improve their stream with a top gifter leaderboard that shows all the gifters of that stream right next to their face or anywhere else on the screen? You probably do, right? Because that's why you clicked on the video. Today, I'll show you how to do that. It is super simple. We're gonna use the program called TikFinity that we used in a previous video. That's how we set up all the alerts for follows, subs, or gifts. Now we're gonna use the same thing for top gifters, and we're gonna flex those gifters on our screen. So let's go right into the video and let me show you how it works. So like I said, you will need TikFinity. If you don't know how to install it, all you have to do is click in the link down in the description below. There you will see the download link. Just click it, download the program, run it. It's super simple. What you will have to do first time you open it is this TikTok live connection. Obviously, you will have to connect your TikTok account to the program. And when you do it, then you will have access to everything at once. So once you do that, it will say in the top left your username and it will say click to connect, it's disconnected. That's because you're not live right now. So don't worry, as soon as you go live, that will be connected. Now, what you have to do is go into the overlay gallery over here. And over here, you will see top gifters on the left side. So there's a bunch of overlay galleries that you can check out, but today we're taking care of top gifters. So what you will need to do right here is click on the customize, and then you can customize it to whatever you want. You can change the background, the fonts, the colors of the usernames, all of that stuff. But the primary thing that I want to do is the show rank and show coins. So it actually shows how much they have donated and what their rank is. So like first, second, third, whatever, right? We click on OK, that is all set up. And if we click test, we can see how that looks over here. So you can see top gifters, it says number one, it shows their username, it shows the crown on the number one, and then second, third, and fourth. You also have the ranking list over here, which you can use for people that are like watching the most with the most points. Like you get points by just watching the stream. But we're taking care of top gifters right now. You simply need to just copy this into your browser source, again, in OBS or TikTok Live Studio, depending on what you use. If you're using OBS, you simply need to just go into your OBS right here, like we did for alerts, add browser source, and then just copy paste. You can just leave the name, whatever you can name it, top gifters, and then you just paste in this thing right over here, and then it will show all the top gifters when they actually start gifting. You can click test and it will show on the side of the screen. Same thing for TikTok Live Studio. You just open TikTok Live Studio and then you add a source and then you click on link. That's the same thing as the browser source. You click on add, you just paste the link. You turn on the sound if you want. It doesn't really matter over here, but you can click on preview. It won't show anything. Add source, and then that will be working right over there. Let me just turn this off. But yeah, that will be working. If we test it, it will be showing on the side of the screen. Like you can see right here, it's right there. So you can adjust it to whatever you want to place it, right? That's basically it. All you need to do is just add the browser source and they will be showing the top gifters as soon as they start donating. Now you can get them to flex their gifts and you get more gifts because they want to always get that number one. It's a cool little trick on how to grow your stream, and it's very, very simple. I hope this video helped you. If you got this far into it, make sure to drop the like. It would mean the world. If you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in the description below. If you want to check more of the TikTok guides, make sure to click on this link right over here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.